Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to sex your meat rabbits. So let's go ahead and get started. We got, in this cage we have Mama, which is Mocha right there, and then we have 3 babies in here that we need to sex and put in their grow out pens. Now she had more babies, but they're already in their grow out pens. Reason for that is you don't want to take them all out all at once. You want to gradually bring a few out at a time. That way the mama doesn't get what?
Mastitis.
Mastitis.
That's where her milk duct gets blocked and it could be a problem.
Alright, so you grab the rabbits. You're supposed to grab them like this, and they say that they're supposed to go limp, but that hasn't happened for me yet. Maybe I'm not hitting the right spot. But what you want to do is you want to lay them on their backs, and eventually they'll calm down. See how it's already starting to calm down? All right, and then what I do, everybody has a different technique. What I do is I just grab the tail right here, and I'll pull gently on that, and then with my thumb, I gently push down to where that comes out. Okay, now that right there, see how it's like a tube coming out? That's more rounded. I don't know if you can see like a different angle.
Yeah.
That is a boy. Right there, that's a boy. Now, because sometimes they're like, oh yeah, it's got a slit or whatever, but see how when it comes out, it's like a tube coming out? It's more rounded. You'll see when I show you a female, that's a male right there. So we're gonna put him in the male grow out pen real quick. All right, let's go ahead and grab another one and see what it is. It's okay. I usually grab them like this because these always squirm regardless until you lay them on their back for a minute and they calm down. So if you're worried about getting scratched, because they do have razor sharp nails, I'm just used to it, you might want to wear gloves, at least at first, you know, if you're worried about getting scratched. All right, so we're gonna grab the tail right there, and then we're gonna gently pull back with our thumb. Now see how that has more of a, well, that's a boy too. Yep. See how it's round and sticking out, protruding? That is a boy. All right, so we're gonna put this guy
In the bachelor pad.
We got a lot of guys in this batch. Let's see what this one is. Look, you just so calm and chill, and I'm. Oh. It's okay. It's okay. I just want to take a look at you. You're not struggling at all, huh? There you go. Mama must hold you a lot.
That's a cute one.
All right. Okay, well this one's a male too. I for sure thought this one would be a female just out of statistics, but see, again though, when you pull on it, it sticks out and it's like a tube coming out. All right, well, I'll get a female and show y'all what a female looks like. We'll put him with the guys. There's a lot of guys in this batch. All right. See how this one doesn't have a huge tube coming out? It's just a slit. See that right there? How it's just a tiny little slit and no big round tube coming out? That's a female. So females are thin, little slits, and the boys will have a roundish protrusion coming out, like a tube coming out. And you could be confused sometimes because it looks like there's a slit in that tube, but see how there's not a huge tube coming out of this whenever I squeeze on it? It's just a tiny bit right there and a slit. That's a female. All right, we'll put her back in with the females. That's crazy. We only have, out of that batch, we only have 2 females. The rest are males.
So 7 males, 2 females.
That's weird. Six males.
Oh, that's right, because my sister took one.
Yeah, your sister took one home. It had a double droopy ears, and it was too cute to resist, and she didn't want to know that we were going to eat it one day, so she took it home as a pet. But sure enough, all of those right there, eventually they're going to go to freezer camp, and they're going to be on our dinner table one day. That's the whole point of all this. All right, that pretty much wraps it up for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section. But went over how to sex your rabbits and what we do as far as separating them, because you don't want to dispatch a pregnant rabbit, so you keep them separated by sex. If you liked the video, if it helped you out, hit subscribe, hit the like button. We'd appreciate it. Have a great day.